Greetings everyone from Piedmont Triad International Airport. May K. Bueller here for Carolina Aircraft. Now you know our specialty is pre-owned prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. And today I've got a 1994 A36 to show you. Gorgeous, fully loaded, but three words I love about this airplane: Tornado Alley Turbo. So this is where the magic happens. Teledyne Continental IO 550 300 horsepower engine. Now this STC has their turbo GAMI injectors. What I love about this, we can go higher, faster, and burn less fuel. 695 hours on the engine since major overhaul, and we have a 3-blade hot prop. This A36 is beautifully equipped. We have factory air conditioning, speed brakes, radar, and plenty of fuel to take us to our dream or business destination. 114 gallons of usable fuel, plus we've got the Osborne tip tanks. The exterior of 1230 Zulu is in good condition. Matterhorn white overall with deep blue and Air Force gray stripes. 2,663 hours total time on the airframe since new. So let's check out the big double cargo doors that we love about the A36. It's so easy to load our passengers and our things. Now the seating is versatile. We could change it around. Right now it's set up in the club seating configuration, but we can change that. Everybody wants to face forward. We can handle that. Maybe you want to stow or even remove a seat. We can take care of that quite easily without any tools, in fact. All I need to do is pick up on a bar and pull a pin and we're ready to go. So come on in, let's check out the interior together. As you can see, we have gray leather seats, gray carpet, gray sidewalls, G&D tinted windows, and a 6-place intercom system. And also on the flight deck, we've got sheepskin covers for the pilot and co-pilot. The avionics on this Bonanza are impressive. Garmin GTN 750 GPS Navcom with WAAS. Garmin GNS 430 Navcom GPS with WAAS, a Garmin Transponder GTX 335 with ADS-B out. We do have color radar displayed on the King KMD 850 MFD. We have an Aspen 1000 EFIS integrated primary flight display. We have a DME and an ADF on board, and your Autopilot is a King with Flight Director HSI yaw damp and altitude pre-select. Other features you will enjoy: factory air conditioning, JPI engine monitor, 3-blade hot prop, turbo GAMI fuel injectors. Remember, we do have those Osborne tip tanks. We do have co-pilot brakes. We do have dual flight controls on board, built-in oxygen, speed brakes, super soundproofing, a radar altimeter, and the Norton radar wing pod. All that with GAMI engine baffles. So much to love here with this 1994 A36. Of course, what we really love about it, the Tornado Alley Turbo. And what that means is we can fly with sea level power all the way up to 20,000 feet. We go faster, we burn less fuel. Yeah, and only about 690 hours on the engine since major overhaul. Lots of bells and whistles, radar, speed brakes, factory air conditioning. You need to come out and see this plane and take her for a test drive. We're Carolina Aircraft. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport, and I do want you to know that Bonanza School is included in the price of the aircraft because we want you to be safe and comfortable in your new Bonanza. So come see us. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Bueller. Thank you so much for watching.